So this is how you can post a story on Instagram on your PC. So it's actually quite simple. What you're going to want to do is hold your Control, Shift, and the I. This will bring out the Inspector tab. Now, the next thing, you're going to want to tap on this icon right here. It has a laptop and a phone. This will make our website into a mini phone. So, you're still not done. What you're going to want to do is tap on F5 and it's going to reload your Instagram. Now it looks more like a phone, and as you can see, there is now a plus button right here, which is what you would usually see on your phone when you're wanting to post a story. So now just simply tap on that and it's going to load up your files and then you can post a story. It really is that simple. It does sound a bit complicated, but let's say I guess it took 4 steps and we're already here. And now all you have to do is just, upload a story and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. Once you tap on this blue button right here, it's going to open up your file explorer, and assuming you have your photo on there, just simply, tap on a photo and it's going to upload it to Instagram, to your story, and you're good to go. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.